Here are some of the best cryptocurrency stocks to consider. Coinbase Global, a top cryptocurrency trading exchange, made its initial public offering in April 2021. The company is a popular platform to purchase major cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano, and it allows users to trade more than 160 altcoins. The Coinbase platform's success has been contingent upon the increase in crypto prices, which, in turn, has led to millions of new users creating accounts. Coinbase earns a small transaction fee every time someone places an order to buy or sell a cryptocurrency. But the company aspires to be more than just a place to trade. It also sponsors a debit card that allows consumers to spend from the balance in their digital wallet, and it's launched a cloud platform for companies using and storing digital currencies. Coinbase offers two game-changing innovations. The first is bringing the practice of asset loans, which were previously only available to affluent investors, to the masses. Users can pledge their Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies as collateral on the platform and receive a low-interest loan to cover expenses. Using crypto as collateral means investors don't have to sell their assets when emergencies arise, allowing their principal to continue compounding while they deal with matters at hand. The second is the rising adoption of Coinbase blockchain analytics by governments and financial institutions alike. Because most blockchains operate on a public ledger, the company can harness the data and monitor it for illicit transactions and wallet addresses. Suppose hackers manage to break through an individual's computer and demand ransom in the form of Bitcoin to unlock the machine. In that case, Coinbase could then match the hacker's wallet address with millions of Know Your Customer data points stored on its platform. This could help law enforcement track down the flow of funds and apprehend the cybercriminals, building greater trust in the crypto space. At the heart of every digital payment protocol is the absence of central intermediaries and, therefore, lower costs for businesses and consumers. So Block, formerly Square, and PayPal Holdings saw a meaningful business opportunity in enabling users to purchase and hold cryptocurrencies within a digital wallet. In late 2017, Square's Cash App consumer-facing application started allowing Bitcoin trading. In 2020 and 2021, Bitcoin was a huge revenue generator for Square, although the trading feature did little to help the company's bottom line. However, the company is helping to foster the use of Bitcoin among its business users through the Block ecosystem, and it could become a top platform for crypto transactions between companies and their customers. This is especially promising for disrupting traditional international transactions in which banks often charge hefty foreign exchange fees. But, for now, Cash App is mostly used for cryptocurrency trading, complete with basic banking features. PayPal's Venmo digital wallet and peer-to-peer payments app, which unlocked crypto trading in early 2021, offer a similar mix of simple banking features and mass-market crypto trading tools. At the launch, Venmo supported the trading of Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin. With the most users of any peer-to-peer money movement app, Venmo could become a leading cryptocurrency platform with this new feature. It serves as a solid access point for investors who wish to buy major cryptocurrencies and then use them to purchase altcoins or access decentralized finance applications. Bitcoin mining has changed dramatically over the past few years. These days, companies such as Canaan design high-powered, application-specific integrated circuit (ASIC) machines specifically for the purpose of brute force guessing the network's correct hash. Canaan's next-generation Avalon ASICs can make tens of trillions of guesses every second as to the right hash to validate blocks on the Bitcoin network, which is millions of times more powerful than AMD and Nvidia's latest graphics processing units, GPUs, for this hyper-specific purpose. Sales have been skyrocketing for some time due to the device's affordability and relatively low energy consumption, meaning greater profits for miners. Speaking of miners, one of the most popular Bitcoin mining stocks is Hut 8 Mining. The company, based in Canada, commands a sizable minority stake on the overall Bitcoin network, and it generates very strong cash flows compared to revenue. Instead of selling the Bitcoins it mines on the market, Hut 8 Mining maximizes returns for shareholders by lending them out and farming yields, leading to compounded returns. Furthermore, investors can be assured that the company won't be embroiled in environmental concerns regarding the practice. Hut 8 Mining uses a mix of wind, solar, and natural gas sources for its electricity with decade-long leases, ensuring the sustainability of its operations. Chipmakers Nvidia and AMD don't deal with cryptocurrencies directly, but these two semiconductor companies are the leading designers of graphics processing units, GPUs. Best known for powering high-end video game graphics, GPUs now enable computing-intensive applications such as data centers, artificial intelligence, and the creation of crypto assets. Cryptography and blockchain creation require immense computational power, and GPUs are well-suited for the job. Back in 2018, booming cryptocurrency prices were a driving force for Nvidia and AMD stock price increases as digital currency miners, people using their computers to create new units of digital assets, scrambled to purchase GPUs for the task. GPUs remain a fundamental piece of hardware for the creation and management of crypto assets. Nvidia even launched a new lineup of chips specifically for crypto mining in early 2021. Both Nvidia and AMD recently announced acquisitions intended to further cement their positions as leaders in chip technology. Nvidia recently tried to purchase ARM Holdings, a licensor of chip architecture designed for data centers and smartphones, and AMD is in the process of acquiring field-programmable chip leader Xilinx. Nvidia had to give up on its ARM deal, but AMD's acquisition is moving forward. With or without these buyouts, both Nvidia and AMD are poised to continue taking market share of the semiconductor industry and are leading the way in developing more emerging technologies such as blockchain ledgers. Meta Platforms attempted to develop a new cryptocurrency called Diem, formerly Libra. Diem was envisioned as a global financial payment and infrastructure platform accessible to everyone, including the almost one-third of the global population that doesn't have bank accounts. The project had some setbacks, including losing Visa, MasterCard, and PayPal from its consortium of high-profile members. Government regulators expressed skepticism about Diem since cryptocurrency is still largely unregulated, and Meta eventually handed Diem over to Silvergate Capital in a stock-plus-cash deal worth roughly $200 million. Nevertheless, work on the project is continuing under the new ownership, and Meta is reportedly considering different options for entering the cryptocurrency market. E-commerce infrastructure and software provider Shopify allows merchants using its platform to accept cryptocurrencies as payment. It recently deepened that capability by integrating with cryptocurrency payments processor CoinPayments. In the spring of 2020, Meta's Facebook Shops was announced as a new offering for small business e-commerce, with Shopify as a third-party software provider powering the new online stores. Together, Meta and Shopify are primed to benefit if the adoption of digital assets continues among small businesses and entrepreneurs. Robinhood Markets is a popular discount brokerage app that allows users to buy stocks, options, rare metals, and now, cryptocurrencies. Investors can buy and sell 7 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin, commission-free on the platform 24/7. The company already holds tens of billions in crypto assets under custody, with crypto trading revenue now comprising a significant portion of overall sales. The sky is truly the limit as Robinhood can combine its commission-free model with scaling the number of cryptocurrencies on the platform, thereby gaining a massive competitive advantage over both traditional and decentralized exchanges. What's more, the company could offer the same crypto analytics services as Coinbase to further promote trust in the sector and boost its adoption. CME Group operates the world's largest financial derivatives exchange, allowing investors to trade futures, which bet on or secure the future price of an asset, and options, which grant investors the option to sell or buy an asset in the future at a predetermined price. CME Group's exchange trades a diverse assortment of assets, including agricultural and mining products, energy, stocks, and currencies. It's the latter that makes CME Group a crypto stock. At the end of 2017, CME established the first market for Bitcoin futures. At the start of 2020, the company created a market for options on Bitcoin futures. As of March 2022, Ether, units of the crypto platform Ethereum, also had futures available on the exchange. Both Ether and Bitcoin futures were joined by micro futures this year, based on smaller slices of the underlying cryptocurrencies. Establishing a full-featured exchange for derivatives of the best-known cryptocurrencies has given Bitcoin and Ethereum some extra legitimacy and provided a way for digital currency owners, both individuals and a growing list of businesses that accept cryptocurrencies as payment to mitigate risk from changes in cryptocurrency prices. Cryptocurrency derivatives are still a small market for CME Group, but adding more exchanges for crypto assets in the future is possible and even likely.